Guys, this video is for my M932a1 truck that's going to be for sale here on eBay. Just want to take this video so you guys could get a good look at the exterior and interior of the truck and see it running. Bought the truck 2 years ago right here from Fort McCoy in Sparta, Wisconsin, and bought the truck to keep, but unfortunately I got to sell a few things here. Truck was, I believe it's 1985. It was rebuilt in 2005. At the time of rebuild in 2005, it only had 93 miles on the odometer, and they rebuilt it anyways, and it currently has 575 miles on it. So pretty much an unused truck. If you look at the fifth wheel plate there, don't think it's ever been underneath the trailer. Still has the grease on it. Everything's working on this truck. When I bought it, it did have 2 tires that were leaking. I've replaced the O-rings in there and one valve stem in there. They are Goodyear 1420 tires, pretty much brand new. Truck has the dual fuel tanks, hard top. Hydraulic winch on the front, wet kit on the back of the tractor. I believe it's a 20,000 pound winch. I've tried the winch, works good. Don't think it's really been used. The cable looks like pretty much never been out of the winch. Start it up for you. There's the rebuild tags from the Red River Army Depot, and it was rebuilt in 2005. There's a picture of the odometer showing 575 miles on. Also, if you look at the tag here, it shows on 11/05 it was rebuilt, and it had 93 miles at the time of the rebuild. Truck's got great oil pressure, 80 psi or so at startup. All the gauges work, both air compressors work good. You got the 5-speed automatic transmission. It's a 250 Cummins in the truck. Windshield wipers work, all the lights work. The only thing on the truck right now not working, and it just started here, is there's a low air warning on there. There isn't. Both primary and secondary have 120 psi. I don't know where that came from. I'll look into it. Probably have it finished by the end of this auction. But just so you know, it's the only thing. Go ahead, open up the hood so you can look inside.